A very good morning, children. This is our first class after our midterm exam. Hope all of you are well. So today we can do one thing. We have done till that vegetative propagation by leaves. I think there is no doubt regarding this. If you are having any doubts, let me know. Now today I will start with that advantages of vegetative propagation. Firstly, vegetative propagation is done the plants where that the new plants can be grown from without seeds from the parts of the body plant body parts other than the seeds. So what are the advantages of vegetative propagation? So in that case, the new plants produced by this vegetative propagation take much less time. At a time we can get huge number of new plants as compared to the plants grows by this sexual reproduction mode. Okay, so next, the new plants produced by this process, which will be just exact copy, that means morphologically, genetically similar, same with the parent plant. In this case, only single plant is required. No requirement of both the male and female parts. Only the single parent is required for this vegetative propagation. Why? Because they are not producing the sex cells. They are just from their body parts. Birds can be grown. From that, birds will be detached from the main parent body part. Then new plant can be formed. Okay. Next one is what? That is budding. You know that one budding we can see in yeast. Yeast is what? Yeast is the fungus, unicellular fungus. So in budding, a small part, see in that figure that a small part of body of the parent plant grows out as what? Bulb, which is also called what? Bud. Okay, that is projection, not rejection. Projection called bud, which then detaches and becomes a new plant. Example is yeast. Here one mistake is there, that projection, not rejection, and called bud, bud, bud. Okay, so this is the diagram of budding process. Here you can see that this is the parent. Then from that parent, that bud will be forming, and that bud will grow up. Then chains of bud will be formed, and that bud will be separated out from the main plant body, and new individual plant can be formed. Next, next asexual mode of reproduction, that one is what? That fragmentation. You can see this one in that algae. Fragmentation is what? Their body parts will be divided by any unfavorable condition or whatever, any heat like that heat or any type of heat from other objects. So there no two or more peas can be formed on maturing. Each of the subsequently that will form new plant, and this process is also called what? Fragmentation. Here we can see that Spirogyra. Spirogyra is an algae which reproduce by this asexual method of reproduction, which is called fragmentation. Clear? So do this first. Write what are the advantages of vegetative propagation in your copy. 2 points you can write. After that, what is budding? From your book also you can write. From here also you can write. And beside budding you have to draw it, that budding in yeast. And fragmentation also beside that fragmentation definition, where we can see that diagram also will be drawn in that left white page. Okay.